Law, courts. This word is very important, and we haven't introduced this topic in spoken Egyptian in Linguamid before. And I'm very happy to give you some of the important keywords that you can use in Egyptian in this topic of law and courts and legal documents and so on. So before we start, don't forget to join my free 101 course. You'll find the link in the first comment and in the description box. Let's start with the first keyword. Court, which is محكمة. محكمة from the verb يحكم, to decide, to give a decision for a judge, for example, يحكم. So محكمة is the building itself, or the place where you have these trials and all this, and it's called محكمة in Egyptian. محكمة, محكمة, and the plural of it is محاكم, محاكم. So محكمة is the singular and محاكم is the plural. So the law is القانون. القانون is the law. قانون, قانون. So when we say, for example, القانون فوق الجميع, so it means the law is above everybody. Okay, so we say القانون, and we say it with the qaf. We don't say القانون, because if we say القانون, it means this is one of the musical instruments. Okay, it's called القانون. However, القانون with the qaf, it means the law. One of the words that are exceptions from this rule of not pronouncing the qaf in spoken Egyptian. Okay, some of words also like القاهرة. Okay, القاهرة, القرآن. Okay, so Holy Quran. القاهرة, القاهرة, which is Cairo. القانون, which is the law. In these words, we have to pronounce the qaf. So say it with me. القانون. محامي, it means a lawyer, and the female version is محامية. محامية. Okay, so أنا عندي محامي, I have a lawyer. أنا عندي محامية, I have a female lawyer. And we also have another word for محامي, which is avocado, of avocado. Okay, avocado, it means also a lawyer, but it's some kind, this word is it's obsolete now. It was used mostly in the last century during the 40s, 50s, and so on, and people say avocado. However, and we have also a movie, an old movie, I think it was in the 40s, it's called الافوكاتو مديحة. Okay, so المحامية, and the lady is called مديحة. Okay, but during this time, people say محامي instead, which is the usual or the important word that people use in daily life. So محامي, lawyer, and محامية, female lawyer. Justice means عدل. عدل. Okay, justice. Okay, so يحيى العدل. When you say يحيى العدل, long live the justice. Okay, يحيى العدل. And people say it usually when we have a decision that's in favor of somebody, and they are very happy that they got innocence, for example, and they are released. They proved innocent and they are released, and people say يحيى العدل. We are happy that the person was released, he is not guilty. Okay, so يحيى العدل, long live the justice. So العدل, it means justice. قاضي is the judge. قاضي. Okay, القاضي, القاضي, the judge. Okay, القاضي, and we say don't pronounce the qaf. We say القاضي. القاضي. القاضي هيحكم في القضية. The judge will give a decision in this case. Okay, القاضي, the judge. جريمة is crime. جريمة. جريمة. Okay, جريمة. So جريمة, crime. الجريمة, the crime. الجريمة. Say for example, جريمة قتل. So the crime where there is killing. Okay, جريمة قتل. جريمة سرقة. a crime when there is stealing, okay, of some money or whatever. So جريمة here, it means crime. Say it with me. جريمة. جريمة. It means كفالة. كفالة. When you pay money in order to be released. Okay, you have to pay some money. This is called bail. كفالة. كفالة. كفالة is bail in English. Say it with me. كفالة. كفالة. حكم mean verdict. حكم. حكم. So حكم القاضي, the verdict of the judge. Verdict. حكم. Okay, the decision itself. So say it with me. حكم. And pronounce the ha right from here. Ha. حكم. حكم like Hamid, like Ahmed. Okay, حكم. Lawsuit is دعوة قضائية. دعوة قضائية. Okay, so it's more complicated than the English term. So دعوة, suit, and law, related to law, which is قضائية, related to القضاء. Okay, there is a judgment. Okay, so دعوة قضائية, law, suit. دعوة قضائية. Our final term here is إفلاس, bankruptcy. So okay, when I say I'm bankrupt, أنا مفلس. I got bankrupt. أنا مفلس. مفلس. Okay, or for example for the companies. So bankruptcy, which is the noun itself, bankruptcy, it means إفلاس. 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 So these were some important words and keywords that are related to law and related to courts. I hope you like these important words. And if you are in a conversation that is related to this field, most probably you will hear some of these words. You can also ask your partner or ask your friends or family members who are Egyptian about these words. If you have any question about any of these words or any question in general in spoken Egyptian, you are very welcome to write a comment to me under this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Linguamid, and also don't forget to join my free Egyptian Arabic 101 fundamental course and download the free ebook there. You will find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in a future episode.